This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the vocal region and enabling flex pitch immediately. This analyzes pitch data so you can edit notes. Make sure your audio file is clear and trimmed, then duplicate the track for a non-destructive backup. Once flex pitch finishes analyzing, open the audio track editor so you can view pitch blobs. This early setup saves time and lets you compare before and after. Now you're ready to isolate specific notes and prepare precise pitch edits without altering timing unintentionally. With the audio track editor visible, click a note blob and drag vertically to change pitch by semitones. Small fine-tune moves adjust sense for tuning accuracy. Once done, use pitch drift to correct slide artifacts and pitch correction slider for subtle musical locking. If a note starts to sound unnatural, adjust the formant control to retain timbre. This prevents the chipmunk or robot effect. Make incremental moves and listen in context. Use the duplicated track to switch back instantly if a change feels wrong. To finalize, audition the whole arrangement and automate any bypass for natural transitions. For extreme pitch shifts, consider Melodyne or Logic's advanced tools, but make sure to retune formants to keep timbre believable. Once satisfied, apply a gentle low-cut EQ and de-esser to reduce artifacts introduced during pitch moves. Finally, bounce stems and save a project version with edits commented. This preserves your original. If you hear glitches, revert to the duplicate track, reduce shift amount, and reapply formant adjustments to fix issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.